Before you is a bactericidal ultraviolet lamp of our production, similar in all parameters to the lamp S950RL HO. Manufacturer VIQUA Sterilight, designed to work in water disinfection installations. This is a low-pressure, ozone-free quartz lamp. It is designed to operate in an aqueous environment in a protective quartz sheath. Lamp characteristics. The type of falcon key is irregularly shaped. The power is 110 watts. Operating current is 0.8 A. The power of the wave radiation is 35 W. Lamp dimensions. Length 1043 mm. Arc length 961 mm. The diameter of the tube is 15 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 19 mm. The service life is 11,000 hours. All technical specifications can be found in the lamp passport. As for power supplies, we can offer an analog with our connector to replace the original VIKVs, or tell us how to modify the old connectors to connect to our EPRO unit. Each bulb is securely packaged in a cardboard clubus with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for Sterilight Buteritzers. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. All of our lamps have a special G-LivePower Plus compound applied to the inside surface, developed by our engineer. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating into the quartz glass, prolonging the efficiency of the lamp life. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.